Is the green light glowing continuously on Amazon Echo Show? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check for active calls. A continuously glowing green light on your Echo Show typically indicates that you are receiving a call or there is an active drop-in. So, the first thing you can do is check for active calls. You can say, Alexa, answer call, or Alexa, ignore call to see if this resolves the issue. You can also check your call history in the Alexa app to see if there is an ongoing or missed call. Method 2. Disable drop-in. The next thing you can do is disable the drop-in feature. Launch the Alexa app on your smartphone. Select Communicate. Select the contacts and tap on the eye icon at the top. Disable the drop-in feature. You can repeat the same for the contacts for whom you have enabled the drop-in feature. Method 3. Restart your Echo Show. You can also restart your Echo Show device. A fresh restart can often fix minor bugs and errors that can be responsible for issues like this. So disconnect your Echo Show from the power source. Allow it to sit unplugged for about 10 to 15 seconds. Reconnect your Echo Show to the power source and restart it. Method 4. Factory reset. If the previous methods didn't work, reset the Amazon Echo Show to its factory defaults. Swipe down from the top of the screen and select Settings. Scroll down to Device Options. Tap on Reset to Factory Defaults and confirm the reset. Follow the setup instructions to set up your Echo Show again. Method 5. Contact Amazon Support. If none of the methods work, contact Amazon Support for further assistance. If you can still see the green light glowing, it might be a hardware problem. So consult the support team to fix the issue. And there you have it. The method to fix the issue when green light is glowing continuously on Amazon Echo Show. We hope the methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned, click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about which method has solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.